Welcome back to another tutorial of Excel is easy with Nav. Today, we're diving into the powerful SUMIF function in Excel. If you've ever found yourself spending too much time manually adding up data based on specific criteria, this video is for you. Let's get started. Imagine you have a sales report with hundreds of rows of data. You want to find the total sales for a specific product. Doing this manually would be incredibly time-consuming and prone to errors. Let's see how the SUMIF function can make this task a breeze. Here we have our sales data. Column B lists the products, and column C shows the sales amounts. We want to find the total sales for product A. Manually, you'd have to go through each row, check if it's product A, and then add up the corresponding sales amounts. This could take forever. Instead, let's use the SUMIF function. The SUMIF function allows you to sum the values in a range that meet a specific condition. Here's how it works. In cell G5, we'll type equal sum if open parenthesis, and then select column B then comma. Now we can type product A within the quotes, because Excel function cannot read text. So if you are using text in the function bar, it has to be within the quotes. Let's move on now and type comma, and then select column C, which has our sales amount for each product. Now close the parenthesis and press enter. This formula tells Excel to look at column B, find all instances of product A, and then sum the corresponding values in column C. You have your total sales for product A. However, I now need to do the same exercise for product B and product C. And just like in the previous tutorial, we cannot simply copy-paste cell G5 across to H5 and I5 as it won't work. Remember the product A within the quotes in the function bar? We will have to change that manually for each product, and in reality there could be 100 of products, and even though we have applied SUMIF function, it won't be as efficient it could be. That's why in row 4, I have made a list of products. Just make sure these products are an exact match to the list of products we have in column B. Now let's change our function in cell G5. I will replace the product A with cell G4. This will allow us to copy-paste the function across to cell H5 and I5. However, it is important to note that the references to column B and column C in the SUMIF function are absolute references. We will keep reference G4, relative or flexible. What this will do is, when we copy-paste the function across to cell H5 and I5, the references to column B and column C would not move as we have fixed it, while the reference to product name will move accordingly. And that's exactly what we want. Now copy and paste cell G5 across to H5 and I5, and voila! Now you have your total sales for each product. By using the SUMIF function, you can quickly and accurately sum data based on criteria, making your work in Excel much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.